Right behind me is the biggest tree in West Africa. This tree has a wood that produces a powder which is used in surprising ways. You can't believe what this can do. Join me as we explore the giants.
So this is our journey to the biggest tree in West Africa. There are a lot of misconceptions about this tree. I've heard a lot of things about this tree. People are like, you can't go around this tree and a lot. So we are on a journey to the biggest tree in West Africa. When I say West Africa, it includes Nigeria, Ghana, Cote d'Ivoire, Burkina Faso, and whole lots of countries. We are from across, and we are heading towards Oda, where the big tree is located.
Parts of the road wasn't in its good shape, and I think the government should check up on this.
So from this side going, it seems the road is good a little. So we are moving on a smooth path.
Oh, big tree standing tall, the legend of Oda calls.
The big tree site was commissioned by Honorable J.O. Obichemilamte.
So guys, we are now at the end of the biggest tree in West Africa. Come with me as we explore.
So we've got our ticket, 10 cedis for kids and 20 cedis for adults. So we are moving through the forest, and Charlie, very soon we are going to see the biggest tree in West Africa. I've heard a lot of things about this tree, and bro, I'm going to verify all of those things by myself. So let's move in a smooth path.
Bro,
The legend of Oda calls. Through the forest we will go. The giant we all must.
as you can see, we are now in the forest, and there are a whole lot of trees in here.
So I'm the tour guide here. This is Apro Kumasi, that's the name of the community. Yeah, so Apro Kumasi. And then over here we have 2 forest reserves. One thing we are proud of it is that the 2 forest reserves are galamsey free. There's no illegal mining activities going on in the forest. What about this 2 there? The road divides the forest into 2. The one on the other side is called Esenepam. And then the one we are heading to is Esubone. It's basically Yusua Empebone. So they corrupted it to Esubone. We lost the forest and years back. So you could see we've done different species of plantations over there. So it's about 50,000 different kinds of trees. Yes. So over here, people are not allowed to cut down trees. They are not allowed to do hunting. So what they are boarding, people sneaking in there. Yeah, they do it. Yes. But it's actually almost the almost intimidation.
Especially in the children, I said they are one who say you are committing now.
You physical pain, spiritually.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So there are a lot of animals in the 2 forest reserves. No wild animals, but there are antelopes, squirrels, duikers, grass cattle, those animals, and reptiles, of course, and a lot of birds.
Reptile going to be alligator.
Different species of different kinds of reptiles. But relax, today is a holiday. They don't come to work on holiday, so no need to shiver. Yeah. So in case you are scared, it seems the lady is scared, so relax. Other species of tree in there that has medicinal value, or other people use it for other things. We move back in the way. So this is called Funtumia elastica. This one, it has it's same characteristics as the para rubber tree. They both have this white fluid substance. If you make a cut out of it, there's a white fluid substance that comes out of it. So they use that one to make a mine ball. One of them coming from Achin tree. And then Kumasi, the popular Kumasi, just like coming from Kum tree. So this is Apro Kumasi, the community, and coming from Apro Kuma tree. So basically, people use this tree to make construction, as to roof their buildings. They use it a lot in roofing their buildings. And when they are building these village houses, the small ones, and I'm the pillars. Yes. And once it is being cut down, the small ones also is being used for wardrobe, water. Yes. So people use it for all those things. And it blossoms some it bears some flowers and subsequently bears fruits. Antelopes and duikers eat a lot from this kind of tree, the aprokuma. Yes. See, almost say aprokuma going shampoo now. I don't know whether you've heard that proverb before. What is that proverb?
Yeah.
Aprokuma going shampoo now. My bad. Alright, so
And this is our journey to the biggest tree in West Africa.
Before 1600, there was a war between Fantis and then the Ashantis. History has it that Ashantis and the Fantis had a war that led to a treaty, a Fanti Confederation War. So some group of Fantis migrated to settle this part of this eastern region. So you could see say from across to down, most of the people over here are Fantis. A lot of people over here. So the chief hunter that led them to this side, Yawando. So that's the name of the chief hunter. So he discovered it in the year 1606. So from 1606 to now, it is 419 years. Yes. That from 1606 to see, I'm not going to say it's not 419 years.
19.
Yeah, 419. Yeah, 419. But I'm not doing it for 419. I'm getting you the fact. So it is 419 years as we speak. And ever since it was discovered, only a branch has fell off. That is the log over there. Fell off in the year 1962. It has been lying there for over 60 years. Yes. It used to be very big. It used to be very big. Because of its medicinal value, because of the normal decaying in a fast pace. And because of the rains and the weather, it is decaying very fast. So that's it. So it's a tree that bears fruit. It bears cherry fruit once in a year. It bears fruit once in a year. Only in September, October, November, December. No. We have to cry baby. Yeah. Not make sure I maybe about 9 months. Yeah, next month, October, November, December, you will see a lot of things. People come and fetch it and they sell it.
What's the name of it?
Cherry fruit. They call it a bakwaba. That is the local. They call it a bakwaba. But they call it cherry fruit in English. That's the local. So the English people call it cherry mahogany. So it's a mahogany type of family. So it belongs to the Saprophysia family. That's the family name for all the mahoganies. It produces powder through this hole. And the people can be dip your hands in the fetch the powder. Almost the year a wardrobe infertility start. So people add it to guava leaves.
Okay.
Then they boil.
So it's for free.
Yeah, mostly it's for free. And then people also add it to honey. A wool. Then they lick it. Let me put it that way. Yeah. So that's we have the same abaco tree on the other side of the forest. It doesn't bear fruits, neither does it also produce.
And it's not big like this one.
It's not as big as this.
Walking down the Lorry Road, stories heavy, tales are told. Hidden giant in the green, the biggest tree you've ever seen. Oh, big tree standing tall, the legend of Oda calls to the forest.
It was really raining. This is the end of the video. We visited the biggest tree in West Africa. Kindly subscribe to our channel because we have a lot of things for you.